how high does the VIX have to be that you consider buying stocks? That's a great question. I'm monitoring this very, very closely right now, and I'll show you what this means. Okay, so the time to buy stocks, which always works, okay, put my reputation on the line here, is when there's an index called the VIX, when it hits 80, okay? So right now, I'm going to go to finance.yahoo.com. A little bit slow here. Oh, here we go. Good. All right. And then what you do is you type in VIX, V-I-X, and there's an accent circumflex at the beginning here. Chapeau. Okay. And this here is the volatility index that measures volatility. And when there's a lot of volatility, meaning when stocks are going up and down fast, that means there's a lot of fear. And the Chicago Board of Exchange, the CBOE, created the VIX index back in 1990. And the VIX basically tells you how volatile options traders think the S&P 500 will be in the next 30 days. And so if we take a look back here, we go back to the beginning of when the VIX came out in 1990. And what I'll do is let me just squeeze this over here. Okay, whoops, here we go. Okay, let's go back 1 year and let's go back all time. Okay, this is good, yeah. Okay, so what happened was in 1990, the VIX came out, okay, the index. And then it spiked a little bit with Gulf War I. It spiked again in 1998 with the Asian financial crisis. It spiked after 9/11. And then it spiked in 2008. And you can't see this, but intraday it hit over 70. So, and what it did also intraday, it doesn't show it here, but in March of 2020, it spiked to over 80. And so the bottom line is, whenever you see the VIX between 70 and 80, you buy stocks no matter what. And I promise you that if and when the VIX hits 70 or 80, and it will at some point, it always does, but if and when it happens, you're going to tell yourself, oh my God, Chris is crazy and I feel foolish buying stocks. That's when you have to buy, when everyone else is freaking out. Because as Warren Buffett said, you got to be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy, and you have to be unemotional in business and with stocks. Here's a great example. When the VIX hit 80 last time, which was back in March of 2020, given COVID fears, everybody was selling stocks. The market was bottoming. And Elon Musk backed up the truck and bought a ton of Tesla and made a fortune. And don't forget, he actually sold a bunch of Tesla recently as well. Tesla's down 38% from the peak. And we're currently in market correction territory, which means the market is down 10% from the recent peak. And what that means is take a look and watch the VIX closely, because when it goes between 70 and 80, we have to start buying stocks.